views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection.
Welcome to Dr. Ikali. Thank you so much for keeping it locked right here on Gagasi FM. We are having conversations that are connected to our daughter and obviously just assisting them mentally, assisting them in decision making and making sure that we are able to raise isizwe esenza ama decisions are sound. Joining us in this conversation, Ndabe Mieza, who's a mental health practitioner and a cultural historian. Good afternoon, Mieza. How are you?
Good afternoon, Sonic. Good afternoon, Mkhayana. How do you do today?
Siyaphila baba wensingeza wena. It's been such an incredible year of discussion, of conversation with you. Thank you so much for being so consistent. Every single Tuesday,
wow, young Chablis along.
To close off this year, we thought, let's have a conversation. It's marriage season. And so, namhlanje discuss the issue maybe just to start off, what are some of the emotional needs that might lead a man ukuthi consideration ukuthi yazi akanelo yedwa ngidinga owesibili.
That will be the end of the bottom line because it has got a cultural nuance. I'm more interested this question throughout the year in all the shows that we did. The question keeps on coming. Why do men have side chicks?
Yes.
Why do men have side chicks? The truth of the matter, we don't have side chicks, Sonic, because they are better than our wives. Now I'm talking for a marital standpoint as a man. We do it because a version of ourselves get lost in the midst of marriage. You know, the challenges of men, the provider, the planner, the decision maker, the child bearer, the emotional, available husband. Believe me, Sonic, young men don't listen to me. Those things, they sink you into the abyss of marriage.
But the way excitement.
No, Sonic, it's not about excitement. Where do you sink? You've got to provide answers for questions that are being raised. You've got to meet expectations. There are financial implications. No. Sonic, I disagree. That is why I left this one for this because this is a clinical reality that all men echo the same sentiment.
So are you're saying that we should just okay it to go to shoot if he's lost himself in a relationship where he told to emotionally drained I told la azokwazi ukupampeka khona ego yakhe.
It's not even ego for that matter, guys. Which is somehow, me and the lady that we are getting married to, just take a break from the hardness of our marital circle. Because the side chick, it's not that he's better than the wife. Or whether it's an upgrade.
Good excitement. It's all a big
no.
Yeah.
The fact that apartment it's a way of stimulating you to take you back to the hunter, to the chaser, to the cat. He takes you there. Manje mungene ekhaya athi wazi wahlupha ngongayibambi before. Manje uame bekade ngevekufuna baba. Buka nje manje usune challenge fela uphinde move uyayithola. Na impela nayo ingane yakhala baba wena why don't you take calls when I call you?
Ihlaphe kulalele ngoba silalele right now. Ngabe khona ini ama pattern noma ama traits ongabona ngawo ukuthi lo ufuna abantu abaningi.
Umama ekhaya
ubaba ekhaya.
No, there's no pattern like that. The picture that men present when they choose to get married is of purity, commitment, and generosity. And iwona angratiate indoda kubantu besifazana. Angiphathi yona commitment. When you go demonstrate ability for commitment, he wins even the most prettiest.
A commitment.
Yeah, if in our science. Remember, I'm side chicks. I hate this word side chick. Those are our secondary mothers. Oh mamncane,
abavusi bemizi
abavusi bemizi.
babalekile.
You know, I heard you saying prostitution. It started in Greco-Roman, and I then said in my research, men were looking for someone who would mirror the men that they were.
Saint emakhoneni.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
So the stimulus and the excitement umamncane ayiletha temporarily ubuya engineered. But I'm saying to fulfill the moral obligation and the moral boundary. Kushuthi amadoda next year's conferences. It's in how do you maintain the sanity, the equanimity, and the energy ongene ngayo emshadweni throughout. Siyeke ukuthi it cannot be done. It can be done.
So what then pushes a man?
Kodwa babudave uyiqinisa kakhulu lamagama. Mina ngifuna uyibeke in simple terms. Sikuzwe kahle noqedwe.
Okay, ake break it down. Uyabona Khaya khona le energy ongena ngayo emshadweni uyayazi now.
Yes. Ngiyona nami njengamanje.
Yeah.
High energy. Kumnandi.
Yeah. But watch 13 years down the line.
Yeah.
Uzoqala experience into engiyibiza ngokuthi i-relationship fatigue.
Yeah.
And the relationship fatigue yenza question izinto unnecessary.
Can it be avoided?
It cannot if there is monotony and routine empilweni yakho.
So how do you avoid that relationship fatigue?
Kufale nobabili nibe adventurous ninomama wasekhaya. It's a value adventure, by the way.
Fana bangapheli oviewers.
And we break it down to sex. It's not about sex.
But it keeps everything
Traveling,
going.
trying new things together.
Traveling, hiking, going to the ditches and the rivers, going where you're both vulnerable in order to test your intimacy.
Trying a new sport. Nobabili ngakaze.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, ngoba amajita lento yokuwalka ekuseni nomama nokujoka wasayithandi. Yeah. Iyaba popular.
It's very popular.
Ithe isuka yaveni yehla.
Nabajima ndawonye.
Nabajima ndawonye because ukuthatha indoda yakho uyisejimini uyi-expose ey'ntweni engafanele ibone.
We are with Indoda Ikhali right here on Gagasi FM. Why men choose to have Omamncane?
Indoda Ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Kuluma ngokuthi why ama out choose to have Omamncane.
So ngicela i-disclaimer. Abantu besilisa ngicela banganhlanhlathi but yabona ke bayakhuluma ko Sonic
Basho njalo.
No Khaya no mafethi ni wrong. This question since last year abantu besifazane bantu bamndabe anoke nisichazele lapho kwi-program ukuthi why do men have side chicks umuntu usuyinikele ngayo yonke into. Remember intombi zethu othanda they mirror a side of ourselves that we have lost. Ba stimulate uyazi ukhulu admithwe a risk ukuzokubheka.
Is it a side of yourself that you've lost, or is it a side of yourself that you should have let died valley?
No.
But you still want to usafuna ube ingane instead of growing up and manning up in the situation that you are now in.
Let's clear the air here. Igama umendo lisho ukufa. Kuchaza ukuthi there is a part of you that should die ubunja. Umkhopolo ukungayiphathi kahle ukuba unhygienically unclean nazo zonke izinto that don't constitute a healthy man must be nge-art of manliness not masculinity. So ziyafa lezo zinto so that nizoba nyamananye naye.
Yes, sir.
Naye kuninga afana kubulala.
Ukhuluma ngokufanele kwenzeke ndaba but that's the different reality. Lana uthuphuma ngaphandle ubona umbali sexy intangasayenza umama ekhaya.
No, so they
you're
creating excuses.
No, but I'm not creating irreality.
No, it's not reality. It's the material world that we have driven ourselves into insanity with. Where men are measured by the size of their genitals and where women are measured by the figures of PPLW. That's a very dirty world. But if we still hold an essence of humanity within us, values, morality, and uprightness, no matter how Coca-Cola shaped a woman can be, you're not attracted because you value what you have.
Level is not taking that way.
Sanibona negagasini hayi ngizoba anonymous nje cha ubabu ndabela ukhuluma indaba enkulu ngempela yazi ukuthi buka nje ungathi manje mawufika ekhaya niyashayisana ngamazwi yabona ngaphendulana kanti le ngaphandle kunokuthula nje yabo. So ngingathi mina uright kodwa nakho lokho ukuze ungabi nestress kakhulu ube naye umuntu nje okhona omancane. Ngiyadako.
Yeah.
Bafuthi ayikhale le ndoda ayikhale le iyabaleka responsibility.
And you know the sad thing ama-out acabanga kanje lawa kanje.
Yeah.
Ayibona wona esuphire ngathi awashayelwa wona.
Ingandwe sengizoya lapho ukuthi ube careful ukuthi what comes around goes around. Wona uzozincoma uyibone uyibhurepul. Kanti noma
bakulimaza noma usethule futhi uyayibukela.
And umama mase bekulimaza ukuthanda kakhulu bokunathi. Uvena beclose kuwena ahlale eduze kwakho
akuspoile yazi akacela ngisho imali
akubopha amagode ekhanda uyindoda athi ngenzeni ezikho zibe izinto akacela ngisho imali ngoba ishandile yamnika imali now ulala ubuthongo bafuthi ke lapho so ngizama ukuthi
uzincoma uthi wazo right ubaba
kuthi ngabe sekwenzekeni
amanzi ageleza endlini
and amanzi ageleza endlini
agelile.
Yeah, I think at the end of the day mubheke South Africa, I think every man has his own thandazile. Serious mfowethu. But the truth of the matter is
that something we should encourage or something we should
enkhayana ngiyakhona impela because egcineni phela we can't just throw these answers but thina singathathi a moral stand. The moral stand is these things come at a price.
Sure.
You're going to be hurt badly. And the content ngiyibuka khaya uma ubheka wena nawe Sonic amadoda azizalayo into zama-30s and 40s waye ayinelwa eyojola futhi uthothi ekhaya nonke niyazi ukuthi uyojola uma wena akhumbula le ayini leli elibekwa phezulu kwe-prime stove
ulibasi uyivuthisi
hey ayini uma wakhe Chris afake nozamlandela
Jesu Christ
esuitcasini ubaba eyojola and angigijimise yabo nje angifuni mangilungisele baboni lokuphithiza la cabanga uma wakho with a smile elungisele baba wakhe eyojola. And we are a byproduct of such fathers, Tin. So, must figure,
so how do we change the narrative? Like, how do we build marriages that are I have got no intentions to divorce. I have got no intentions to break up my marriage. I've got no intentions even namanje cheat, honeymoon, whatever, sharp. How do we bulletproof, if possible, our marriages?
I think that we need to have an epoch revolution and revise traditional value standards of marriage.
Yeah.
See le brain rot. Esesinayo Netflix nenziwa ilokuza social media, you know. Let's go back to our senses. You see, if you're cheating, your brain is overloaded on one side. And awusacabanga kahle ucabanga at a selfish inconsiderate brain instead of spreading the brain so that uzokwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kokuhle nokubi. That's why God provided you two brains. Sibese ubuyela back into values bakwethu ama values ayasiza. You mentioned something amazing Khaya wathi adventure. Yazi adventure is critical kabe emshadweni nebalance. Those are the two critical values, and if you apply sincerely emendweni, then it works. Bese kuba khona into crazy about marriage for Sonic namkhayana where get a chance to break away from each other so that nizokhumbulana. Akufanele bese niba isimbela mbela omunye nomunye. Fale ube comfortable umama ungamboni, and you can't love your wife 7 days in a week. Fale mthande ka 4 and leave these days away so that you can rejuvenate and rebuild yourself and energy, then touch base with your masculinity and your spirituality.
And how important is it for you guys to have impillos in? Meaning you've got your own circle of friends, you've got your own life.
No marriage will succeed without autonomy. Once the autonomy yangabi khona chaza ukuthi sekuyi manipulation and control. And leyo mshado is characterized by a lot of gaslighting and control.
It's very true.
To the young man who want to take his time, rethink.
Why not? And when do you introduce that idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And the two, try and obtain what I call polygamy quotient.
Yeah, in there.
Polygamy intelligence. Ask from the elders. Find out whether it's a family calling.
Yeah.
Or it's your last, or it's something that is there to preserve the bloodline of the family.
Family calling.
Wasn't that?
buza
Masingane.
uzothi ungasazi isibongo sika gogo wakho uthi awuyimabani ngicabanga ukuthi uzokhuluma nge-family calling. Who are you cheating here?
futhi sakomalume lesa sakosithola oJobo uMondisi omthembu weGubane.
Yeah, so phela ngoba kuqala lapho ubona ngoba into engicasula ngabantu besithembu abanye abekho since yebafethu.
Hey, say unfair.
These are guys who want to
bafuna ukumanipulate
ba-abuse.
Bafake imali.
Yeah, amadoda akafike abona Mkhayana, I'm so blessed to have had men athi bamiyaza khona iqhiza engileshelayo sikhuluma kahle kabi naye. Ngithe mangithi ngicabanga ukuthi liyolanywa lathi haya siye kubaba umyeza akayosifundisa ngesithembu. Cabanga sometimes
bakhona abasiproposaka abantu besifazane nowadays athi
no isikhona le generation sekhona usisabathi yabo mina don't mind
yini thinking process yalo muntu ngoba sezila
ngathini usuke as protector against cheating, infidelity and harm that can come as a result of uba committed emshadweni. And the number of such women is growing. Two, it's growing because either they've been they were parented under isithembu or baswitnessile kogogo wabo, or they've seen something wonderful about it.
Or they know what's going on out there.
And they know. Laba ababas criticize without even knowing low self-esteem. Yeah. Low self-esteem, lack of knowledge. No, ukuthi they are too colonized in their minds.
Siyavala unyaka bamndabe u10 kwabantu bakho.
Bafowethu ngiyayisaba le period ekhona. Yabona 3 weeks ake siphatheni kahle, si drive safely, sidle kahle. Ungathi u3 weeks udle to a point ukuthi ugene ngisho 7 kg. Kuyabe seku January 7 awusakwazi ukuthi ukuhamba. Umuhamba sefana bambele eqolo indoda. This is the moment that you should take care of yourselves. And bese minimize iphuzo neloko okubhenywayo. Ayi ngeke man.
Ungayifaka emakhaleni.
Singakufaki lokho emakhaleni bafowethu.
Sikuthola kanjani?
07666 Mkhayana nami Sonic. Umhla 25-26 ngizobe ngisebenza. Ngizobe ngivulile. Yes, I've been doing this ever since I started opening my practice. Christmas Day ngikhansela man.
Jesus.
07666 33954. Angiphinde mlaleli weGagasi ngithi kwena 07666 33954.
Gagasi FM.